Schools across Monroe County that fall into the yellow zone will begin testing 20% of students and staff beginning next week. The testing is state mandated. Kayla Green tells us what the rollout might look like.
Since the governor's announcement earlier this week, local schools have been busy planning for testing and sending out consent forms to students and families. Dr. Mendoza says schools have been doing a great job and are safe. So why the testing? Kathleen Groutman is the president of the Monroe County Superintendent's Council and the superintendent of Greece schools. She says she'll do what it takes to keep kids in person, but she does question why schools.
Quite frankly, it's a way to help lower the rate in a community. But I also think you could do that in other groups too. I mean, I think when we're doing that in schools, could that be done in other public places?
This is the test that will be used for schools. Dr. Elizabeth Murray is a pediatrician at Golisano Children's Hospital. She says for the most part, we've been testing children with symptoms, and we don't have a lot of data on the asymptomatic cases, which she says are common in children.
Getting more data is going to be beneficial because I think it will help to further prove that the schools are doing a great job, and hopefully this can move us closer to having more schools open.
If the rate goes back up and into the next zone, Groutman says having to test 100% of students and staff to go back in person would be a huge undertaking.
We're going to blow up schools in terms of their normal procedures to get testing in place, and we can do that for 20% within this yellow. If we go to an orange or a red, I struggle with, again, taking on more of the burden from the community to try to get kids back to school when you know, the community necessarily hasn't brought that rate down.
Groutman says Greece won't start testing until the end of next week after doing a couple days of pilot testing at the beginning of the week. She says she needs 1,800 consenting people per building to get to that 20%. In Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.
Thank you, Kayla. She also says they are looking into adding after school or weekend hours for testing if a family member wants to be there with their child for the test.